Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone. First, you will need to download and install the Net desktop application onto your computer. Once installed, create a free Net account or simply log in if you already have one. Next, navigate to the Call of Duty Warzone section within the launcher and click the Install button. The game file size is typically over 100 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage space and a stable internet connection for the download process. Warzone offers thrilling battle royale experiences, supporting up to 150 players in a single match. Your main goal is to be the last player or team standing, surviving against all opponents and the ever-shrinking gas circle. You can choose from various modes like solos, duos, trios, or quads, depending on your preference. Complete in-game contracts, such as bounties or supply runs, to earn cash. This cash is vital for purchasing essential items and even your custom loadouts from buy stations scattered across the map. Customizing your loadout is crucial for success in Warzone. Before a match, you can create up to 10 unique loadouts, each featuring your preferred primary and secondary weapons, attachments, perks, and lethal and tactical equipment. During gameplay, you can acquire these custom loadouts by purchasing a loadout drop at a buy station for $10,500 or by finding a free one that drops periodically. Experiment with different weapon combinations and perks to discover the perfect setup that complements your individual playstyle. To elevate your Warzone gameplay, master the ping system to communicate enemy locations, loot, and objectives with your teammates. If you are eliminated for the first time, you will be sent to the Gulag for a 1 versus 1 fight, offering a chance to redeploy. Always keep an eye on your in-game map to track the safe zone, identify enemy pings, and locate active contracts. Remember, consistent practice and adapting your strategies are key to improving your aim, tactical awareness, and overall performance in the intense battles of Warzone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.